Good morning.
Morning.
Honorable Adam Yahuye na unso e. Good. Honorable no mo stage walk out our parliament. In fact, yatete say mo bo minority no kwadu, mo free parliament abra na proceedings because mo bo minority majority no kwadu. Say omo AABB and mo Bank of Ghana boss e ba ho na e say media no etna ho but omo mo pie na de. E pese tifri wa num. What then a course pa?
But I say no, me file questions to the governor. Questions me file in April. And the entire me file questions me say first, na me the motion about say yen tone some free governor any gold board. No mumra. No will be ya know about a car more book Bank of Ghana about monetary policy management because I can't move rempa. So if I book about 34 billion Ghana cedis. And the Ghana car that Bank of Ghana the negative net equity I do 96 billion Ghana cedis. No ye ba be chama yin na ma yetua. Okay, no more in politics, no more dadan. Until kind emotions say governor any say gold board or mumra. Majority no, if vote no. Me did say mokai, more reporting my central for more reporting say no, or move vote against the motion. But if one my second option, am I say or mumra no mumbe answer questions on how or my Ghana gold in our half of Ghana's gold reserves have been sold. And also, I'm going to put you in and say, no, they won't allow it. So this was my third attempt. I know me use a different approach. And you're requesting, and you're someone, a governor, no? The governor and any two deputies near the, mobile, so mobile answer questions. Questions me and some beside, I don't know. By the rules of parliament, I was actual written responses. Our actual written responses, number. We really did beside follow-up questions. Me, I mean, beside the question, no? Let me beside 3 follow-up questions per question. Other members between maybe one follow-up question. Leader between maybe 5 questions. Governor and the deputies, Minaba, or my top leadership, Maba. They are converted parliament into committee of the whole Ayababe starting meeting. You who are not majority for Pamo media and if it was some person media for the cover answers now about the man. Until almost 1 hour insisting say bring the media back into the chamber. Yeah, can almost one decide to say the media will not cover it. Other almost say or moment of the law and say committee no decide whether the person media cover and I person media cover. And or more majority side no more decide to say no, the media shouldn't cover. And you say how? Last time governor by Yan to swap up say cover and cover. Everybody was here, the media was here, they covered it. And that will be questions I know about Bank of Ghana and any idea it was good. On one crowd distribution, we brought a lot of confidence in the central bank. And then they are so sensitive about as some of we see in here, Mompese obey answer questions before the media. Meanwhile, questions no need initial answers no. They are publishing all that paper and so. In fact, me the copies are to me Twitter handles. Police between me yama. What is it that you are hiding? Say that. Your cost over for my company almost 1 hour. Me, I'm sorry, I power. Say, listen, are there more no? Move rather creative speculation. I am my Bank of Ghana. Said the company. So in the end, we decided say, you may sing the Nyakatia. You may sing with them. Rather no, we will suspend. Participate. Now, you said this should be the right thing. So we came out and we addressed the press. A train who the India no mum per se governor no answers no media no be cover. And they say you know quite didn't come up with any metro the details of where.
But what majority leader asema na oka oche say so omoma kwanya according to majority leader questions be fly Emma in fact and yet that is not the practice say Bank of Ghana boss a parliament no question bia mo be sana na yi ano ba na say na be ho no sensitive any say call abonte be bacho just ana practice nite
and intro that is be anti-sap. Per standing orders of parliament, who are PB, my producers in PB, order 2261, or say committee meetings are public hearings. Except we decide, said Bintino, Manasa. And then important. Now, what is wrong with asking a question? Minister Nankasakore, Minister of Finance, you beside a question. Question is, you beside a question in Toasuma, Mr. Speaker, bed is allowed question. or man crime and the answer be a sensitive. Any question is sensitive, a answer is sensitive. Question is there. Okay, now question is bizarre. And I say me need to be bizarre. The question is sensitive. A answer no need be sensitive. And the question no, a big you sensitive answer. Mr. Speaker, bet disallow question. It is answer no correct. And no more around to say emrani say emrabeng. There's no such law. Give me a lawyer. There's no such law. Order 2261. Let's say the meeting is public. Until last time I buy now no buy answer questions. So sebi no more means say we be to me bisa question unpalatable. But it was allowed. Rather no, there were questions Mr. Speaker disallow questions. It is ask them no Yehuda tubu. I feel who the entire no more say governor no baby general answer questions.
The indication I also say, according to Bank of Ghana, since 2024, Bank of Ghana undertaking any forex market interventions via no sir.
The patrol kind of full answer no.
Okay.
Question maybe sir and they say, what is the source of forex or more intervention? And then the answer they say, since August 2024, in fact, Maminche Muchi. Ghana economy is so here. CD Negina. Ejina be first there was 17 as at August 2024. To date ni August 2024.
Okay.
By the time I year be hand over now Baby do 14. About we buy and be do 10. And as you say, as I page it's almost 12 now. One way you have to say BBS is our Ghana economy anymore. And so one say yes, somewhere can say BBS is rather the question say abine pump dollars a good market also. And the question maybe say dollars no more pump no money fee. Dollars be no more the intervention. And on a governor year no say since August 2024. But August 2024 now one hour them.
MPP.
Good. Or since August 2024, omunye intervention because use Bank of Ghana reserves. Domestic gold purchase program no, and no na $80 a bank as dollars na be kwako kan reserves no. Na instead no, fen call reserves no biom. Diverting pump go market no so. Kind of full answer. Who a copy of the answer?
Yes, I will say, but because of time, see.
No.
Okay. And since August 2024, the Bank of Ghana has not undertaken direct FX market interventions as its FX operations do not draw on the central bank's reserves. Instead, FX intermediation has been executed through the domestic gold purchase program.
Thank you very, very, very much. No one says, Governor Nibijna Honok says, Sir, the air cost on say. You're about me a domestic gold purchase program or the bar August 2024 no. And on $80 eba Ghana wasn't dollars no. A coca Bank of Ghana reserve home. By no more Dania or more Pompigu market no so na. Wouldn't they baba? To be daddy.
Nhyira FM.
Obiabe who says and trony propaganda no moody. Na governor na beti omoto. Nti omo pese media no be cover. Governor no be ditro on be politics obe kan okra na wo mu no eno no wachira be in parliament no one him says governor no can sa pe ye be bisa follow up questions say anti sir dollars we ni na fi domestic gold purchase program na wo say nkeko o minor catch na reserves na obeji no say pin e ko wa nka by now ye forex ye reserves akodu himfa Obebo so say nka by now your reserves no nka tra 5.7 months of import cover and the number 9 months of import cover. Obe ye be bisa ne say enti say sika no nke betumi dia ye den de omo pump go market no so nke betumi dia den obe ya no de nke betumi dia ye omo mpese obe ya no ma Ghana for bete nti omo so ma blocking media no.
Nhyira FM.
That is the reason for which omo mpese governor ne ba be answer. Because I'm not a professional. Or any deputy governors, heads of departments na mobile omukuro laptop ne ade figure bia ne omuntu mi fema na omu person omu keep om share them na omu ndc for na ba be propaganda natural so aban papa ba say they are dollar na gina also asem we fit April 2025 makasa say
yeah
and now I've brought the governor to the central bank so be here no what throw answer na ba but the answer na ma media no say ene wo copy nti ne wo hu de ekoso bo mo dim so obedina obeka no kra no mo eno no mo mpese bisi no sa na ebu mai.
Right. Honorable, where the answer the issue about contingency fund who say what court near they know. Chemugakra to say
no credit and no many near Chibi. Okay. So there many near Chibi na mini factor on the
okay. No problem. No problem. No problem. And yeah, better was papa na do we see how say.
Muni na asem we mamu nyanto ho. Makasa asem we fit April last year say ka omo boto ho no. Una ba bitua o. Watie for etie yen sa abre. Me the youth unemployment na ye ha me young people millions certificate ni adwuma no. Omo na ba bitua sa aka we say. U 24-hour economy anye yi. Wan ye adwuma ma no. Wo san so abokato ama no so o mbetua. Omu di munti na yebisa sa questions we say. Here there's some blocking a most central for no. Asu die damo so mu misa om. So na den na mu pese governor na be kan answer we wo floor no so. Na nka follow up questions are yebisa mu misa om.
Okay. Okay. We don't know me pacho people for abase mu miracles aboaje say he's been granted bail. Now this no say be friend no say ton sa friend so me yin sem bia no ne ade no. What is wrong with it?
There's nothing wrong with it. What is wrong with it? And they say, "Abaywe, person who beka ne boni a odi intino. O come your democracy no, weaponize law enforcement agencies no. Into kasa tiana abani who che ne pet ne formula ne say no akwachi opposition ne bi. Mene o ka say o maka tren so ombechi MP bako next week. Na ye kasa dodo. Se be mu afreme to ne date to o ma ka ten say next week on beti MP back na ye kasa dodo me se be mu afreme
o ma boni din MP no boni din
o ma boni din atre ni no din no ati ko ni ho atre e baso a freme
o wa sentimentem
there be o we tifi mantem ai tifi wa me se baso a freme me ka tro because boni o mu din no mu mpese obi abeka omo pese obi a beka na miracles omo chi no first of all omo say mu hia no so on be answer questions wa be answer questions owie no two kwan no bedu Ghana matching no airport memenda enumre e de na kohye yoko say next week mo be interrogation what be that e to aso so watching memenda na jo akoshe yoko say the following week obe interrogating wa bra wunim se wo nya adwuma memenda wo nya adwuma kwesi ada no problem ye dede omo issue statement say ye investigating about 55 million Ghana cedis na oni accountant bi na accountant ni kwa start to years kano but I say we okay
yes ye kai pa
lawyer for a ye dey call inside the hall e kotena interrogation ni mu miracles ni no mba em ye mbisa no question be about 55 million bia. Not one question about 55 million. Not one. Instead, don't be a question about contract be a omodema will be, I think, for about 5 million. Until I didn't know be issue statement say you're investigating for 55 million. Na akwaba could be crashed at 2 years can. Me was aquano, not somewhere buy a crab bar before miracles or no one started to any seeker. Audit findings been a quotidian. Why would the state institution do this? Just because they want to suppress any voice of dissent. Now, miracles, me, I told you people say, we no best survival. Name to say more setting new standard. As our standard, no. And no, about the new normal. And again, let's say you central for civil society organizations. Miracles, Bible, and I catch them say, you be about 55 million. Also, by now, move beside you for say. Now, then I'm more cancer say.
Right. Oh, no, but.
No, check. Also, BM beside you, question. Also, we say, say, Momu catcher and say, 55 million to more investigating. I come to Babontia the catcher and say, money in discussing 55 PR. I don't know where, sir. You say, man, neck come here and say, yeah, you're a mama can't say Ghana for a race train. Initially, my refuse it Bissau. By a part of exercise, so Casapeni at some, and I make a choice, yeah, my catcher say, Casado, unless we come back to empty bacco.
Honorable, now, we are lawyer idea. Ye Mr. Say Yoku, as we can try for miracles at Wajeso. A banisano, I say, will beat me to an amoes Yoku, and we're going to hoofy.
I will say statement from me, you know. Omobuapa will be unfunny, dear and chassis. Correct statement, no. Power statement, no.
Sure.
Where being a chassis? Be a din chassis. Do one of you. What means you dino? What means you Yoko dine is you?
That's right.
You said you are more no much than you. Where being a chassis and now tonight be a wakus you know even for defamation and I say baby.
I want to be so institution, no. In Yoko as an institution, no.
Now how do you see Yoko as an institution?
Okay.
Now, Kokra no catch your statement you can put no.
In free
because will be a dean in the signature and chassis. So,
okay.
Right. They are abusing the power, weaponizing state institutions, going after political opponents, because one person silence you be towards one big agenda. There's a big agenda coming. They are going for a third term for John Dramani Mahama.
Hey, another big agenda, no?
That's the big agenda they are going towards. And they want to silence everybody before we get there.
Well, Honorable, you do see a brain into that's a P.
As at now, there are 3 applications at the Supreme Court seeking to legitimize a third term for John Dramani Mahama. And only the big agenda they are working towards are gradually Omoka Ubia Kasabua Sheniyem.
Okay.
Na eneyede me na momo ankasa ochina wan kasa ye de beyew.
All right, Honorable. Medasipi your brain into me do see as in afi ya to come on so Nhyira 104.5